Welcome back, guys, to the Country Boy Cooks. What we're cooking today for you is a pan-seared tuna steak. It's going to be delicious, and you can make it at home. So follow me to the kitchen. Let's do it. All right, guys, what we're going to do to start with, we got our seared tuna steak. Gonna give it a light coating of olive oil. I use coarse sea salt. Pepper. Both sides. That sea salt, when it sears in that cast iron pan, it's going to get crunchy and have that salty taste to it. It's going to be really, really good. What you got left, just going to dab the ends. All we're going to take now, we got our cast iron frying pan. We got it on high heat. You want this thing really hot to make it sear. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil in the bottom of the pan. Really important to have a seasoned cast iron pan. It's going to smoke a little bit, that's fine. So we're going to take our tuna steak, put it down. So you're going to want this thing medium rare, so you don't want to cook it all the way through. We'll get that sear going on with it. If it starts to stick on you, just let it sit there, it'll break loose. Starting to get that crust on it. Take about maybe 2 minutes to cook all together. We're going to go ahead and kill our heat now. We're going to go ahead and take it off. Alright, guys, let's go ahead and cut into it. It's really, really tender. Got that seared outside. As you can tell, it's restaurant quality, medium rare to rare on the inside. We're going to pair that off with some soy sauce. Welcome back, guys. If you guys like this video on seared tuna as much as I did making it for you, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up and comment on the video. We look forward to hearing from you. Until we see you again in the kitchen, we thank you for watching the Country Boy Cooks. God bless you.